Okay, little sis. Are you ready for this? Here I go. You want to YouTube this? Do whatever you want to do with this. This is not something that's spectacular, but it's very hard to do. So, I'm just going to show you this. Took me a long time to do this, but I'm going to show it to you. You ready? This is called a clap behind your back push-up. It's very hard to do just one, but let me see if I can just give you 3 of them. I'm not going to be satisfied until I can do about 10 to 20, but this is just a start, okay? Here we go. This is going to be hard. I'm like Elvis. Thank you very much. You want to see a real man, boy? Here we go. You ready? Thank you very much.